Evidence for non-material mind points to God. Atheism requires metaphysical materialism. And so, most hard atheists are metaphysical materialists. Materialism is the view that 1. Everything that exists is composed of matter and/or energy. 2. There are no non-material entities. 3. Mind equals brain and nothing more. 4. There is no non-material mind. However, metaphysical materialism is false. In the rest of this video, we present evidence for the real existence of non-material entities. The existence of these real non-material entities falsifies metaphysical materialism, and therefore hard atheism. Evidence. 1. Quantum mechanics, QM, wave functions. QM wave functions are non-material probability functions, not material entities. A wave function cannot be sensed with any of our senses. It is only after the wave function collapses into a particle or a wave that the resulting entity is a material entity. So, the existence of QM wave functions, immaterial probability waves, proves that something exists that is not matter or energy. This is evidence against materialism. 2. Non-locality. Quantum mechanics shows that particles can be at two places at the same time. This violates localism, an essential requirement of materialism. This violation is proof against materialism. 3. Non-realism. Quantum mechanics shows that we can change the behavior of a particle depending on whether we observe it or not. This violates realism, an essential requirement of materialism. This violation is proof against materialism. 4. Fields. A field, e.g., electrical or magnetic, is not matter or energy, and yet it can change the behavior of matter. So, the fact that fields, electric, magnetic, etc., exist is evidence against materialism. 5. Ideas. An idea is not matter or energy, yet an idea can change material reality when a volitional agent acts to implement the idea. This is evidence against materialism. 6. Sensations. Sensations of color, sound, smell, taste, touch are not material. They are not matter or energy, and so they are immaterial. These immaterial things can cause a change in material reality when a volitional agent acts on them. So these immaterial sensations are real. This is evidence against materialism. 7. Emotions. Same reasoning as above. 8. Desires. Same reasoning as above to provide evidence against materialism. 9. Information. Same reasoning as above. 10. Concepts, e.g., justice, mercy, etc. Same reasoning as above to provide evidence against materialism. 11. Free will. Same reasoning as above. 12. Placebo effect. Your non-material belief about a placebo changes the physical effects of the pills. 13. Nocebo effect. Your non-material belief about a nocebo changes the physical effects of the pills. 14. Mind over matter thinking. I can minimize a headache by thinking about it. An experienced yogi can change his heart rate by thinking about it. 15 to 17. Power of positive thinking, marketing, advertising. Same reasoning as above. 18. Attributes of mind. Personality, preferences, likes, dislikes, desires, intentions, purposes, plans are all not material, but they are real, and they impact material reality when a volitional agent acts on them. 19. Mind. Given items 5 to 18, a mind is not matter or energy. It is immaterial. Yet, a mind can change physical reality when a volitional agent such as you or me acts based on our thoughts. Summary. The evidence discussed above indicates the real existence of non-material entities. And these non-material entities have causal power in material reality, particularly when they influence a volitional agent to act on material reality. So, non-material entities exist, and these have causal power in material reality. This violates the core tenets of metaphysical materialism. And so, these falsify metaphysical materialism. Therefore, the only rational alternatives are philosophical dualism or philosophical idealism. Given the real existence of non-material causal entities, the existence of God, as the highest and the most powerful of the non-material causal entities, is a reasonable and rational inference. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.